Hi everybody, I am the MES specialist here at Paperless, and I am going to take you through our February release notes. So the first enhancement that was done in this new release was the restyling of the mobile app screen to provide the more consistent look with both the touchscreen and the portal apps. So this new look improves the readability and interaction points with the application, so it's more touch-friendly when interacting with the application on a smaller screen. The downtime function within the touchscreen was also enhanced. So before, you only had the ability to select the reason code for the downtime when you do a start downtime, but now you're able to change or select the downtime reason code when performing a stop downtime as well. And then having the reason codes being able to be changed or added at the stop downtime is configurable by Work Center. And then the last enhancement in this release note is under the mobile apps area. So now we have the ability to print labels for purchase receipt to dock, the same way they are currently printed for purchase receipt to stock in inspection. So that is all I have for this month's release notes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll catch you next time.